Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are at the SUGCON 2019 event, and today I have with me Jagmohan Rathore, who is the VP and Managing Director of RightPoint India. So let's talk to him about the event and how was his experience association with this event been. So hello, sir. Welcome to the show.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem. So first of all, let me start by asking you, what is RightPoint?
So as mentioned here, RightPoint is an independent customer experience agency with technology at our core. So we create impactful digital experience driven by insight, strategy, design, technology, and to transform the way our client do business. So that's our primary business. So you can say we are a full service digital agency which do everything from starting from the discovery, creative till the delivery, and then managed services. So
okay. So you also have an office in India, and how's the growth been like in India office, and how are you leveraging Sitecore for Indian team?
So we started office in India last year, and so far we have around 30 plus Sitecore developers in India office only. Our team size is 60, and we are serving to North American customers only. We don't have any customers in India. We are very much focused on our North America customers, and our growth is phenomenal this year especially. We added almost 50%. We increased the headcount by 50%. So, and year over year, if you talk about our growth, it's more than 100%. So yeah, we are also among the industry leaders in terms of picking up new technology in Sitecore. So for example, Sitecore Commerce is one of the things that we are very much focused on. We are right now, there are 3 in-flight projects we are doing right now, and we are about to start one more project. And we are about to release one project on a production. So yeah, we are very much focused on commerce part of the Sitecore.
And what is your vision for the next 2 to 3 years, I would say, for Indian team?
Yeah, we have really good plans for India. So we wanted to increase our double the headcount, but at the same time, we are very much focused on our team, that they should be happy. The team should be very engaged. And they should also see that they are growing in their career while working with RightPoint. So it should be a win-win situation for the company as well as for the team. And we have really motivated people. So I'll see. We'll continue to grow with the same pace for next at least 2-3 years. And yeah, we have really strong partnership with Sitecore. So we are looking forward to learn new things.
That was my next question again. So you're the gold knowledge partner of Sitecore. So what is your association with them like, and how has it been over the years?
Yeah, it's been phenomenal. We actually, Sitecore is a product that has helped many companies to achieve their digital revenues or digital target. So we are very happy to be part of that Sitecore ecosystem, and especially in our case, we are associated with Sitecore from more than I think 10 years. So that's a long time, and which one thing I definitely feel is to make a system mature. For example, Sitecore Commerce is a new thing. It's very difficult. Everybody is saying it's a kind of difficult, but I believe it should be a combined effort of Sitecore and Sitecore partners to make that system mature. So we are working together with Sitecore to make it mature. We are providing feedback whenever possible and trying to grow the community.
Perfect, sir. So what are you looking forward to from this event, SUGCON 2019?
Yeah, this is this is a big event for us in terms of brand building, and then letting people know that yes, this is what we do. We are passionate about Sitecore. We do a lot of Sitecore work, not only just Sitecore content website, but the commerce. And we are very much focused on bringing together the content, commerce, and contacts, and we are working on it. So we wanted to promote that to the developer community, and maybe this will eventually help us in getting good talent too.
Perfect, sir. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for spending time with us.
Yeah, thank you.
We're talking to Jagmohan Rathore, who is the VP Managing Director of RightPoint. Thank you so much.